Hi fishy friends, welcome here at Bart's Fish Tales, and today I'm going to make you a delicious recipe. Shakshuka, my way. Spinach, salmon, bit of cream. So first step, to flavor this shakshuka, I'm going to crush some cumin seed, some coriander seed, and we'll mix it with a bit of nutmeg. Pinch of cumin, similar amount of coriander seeds, bit of nutmeg. This is the pan in where I'm going to prep this shakshuka. I have it on medium heat and I add the spices. I'm using no oil. What's gonna happen is that it's really going to smell amazing, and this is actually the base for this shakshuka. I will add 1 teaspoon of harissa. This is red harissa, you can use green harissa, whatever you like. I give it a mix. So I've mixed these amazing spices with the harissa, and I'm going to mix the spinach with it. I have 1 garlic clove. I will have it on my fork. And with this fork, I will mix the spinach in this mix of harissa and spices. So it gets this garlicky flavor. I add a bit of water to it. So with this fork and garlic, you allow the spinach to absorb a bit of the flavor of this delicious garlic. So it will be just a bit garlicky. The recipe I make right here is for 2 persons. I'm using 2 eggs, maybe like 80 grams of spinach, maybe like 80 grams of salmon. I use 2 eggs, and I'm using only the egg white in the pan right now. Egg yolk right here. I give this a mix together with a good splash of cream. So I discard the garlic and use a spatula to mix. Great, lovely. It smells so good, it smells so good. Now I add salmon. Got some great, beautiful salmon fillet right here. I cut like maybe 80 grams into cubes and place it in the shakshuka. Press on it. Here we go. Cherry tomatoes, halved. I have a bit of goat cheese. Delicious, gives a bit of creaminess, a bit of saltiness. Look at this is amazing. Bit of black pepper, tiny bit of salt. Next step, I make like 2 holes for the egg yolk. Here we go, 1, and there, the second one. Lovely. 4 or 5 minutes, I will have this pan on low to medium heat, lid on. So meanwhile, I'll chop some dill. Add some dill. Here we go. Salmon, with a bit of the egg yolk, which is still running, a bit running. Spinach, harissa. I just love these Middle Eastern flavors. It's great. The salmon and then the creaminess of the cream together with the spinach and the garlic is really, really good. And of course we have then the goat cheese, tomato. Well, it's a really balanced dish, which is so easy and quick to make for breakfast, for lunch, for brunch, or as a snack. Well, if you have any questions, leave them down in the box below. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.